Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Annapurneshwari Parit, first year CSE student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am here to discuss few MCQ questions based on the Indian Constitution. Let us begin with the first topic, that is making of Indian Constitution. And the first question is, who among the following was the first permanent president of Constitution Assembly of India? Option A, Dr. Sachidananda Singh. Option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option D, Professor H.C. Mukherjee. And the correct option is option B, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the president of State Constitution Committee. Option A, G.V. Malvakar. Option B, Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C, Abdul Kalam Azad. Option D, none of the above. And the correct option is option D, that is none of the above. The concept of 5 years plan in the Constitution of India is borrowed from option A, Russia, option B, England, option C, United States, option D, Germany. And the correct option is option A, that is Russia. In the Indian Constitution, the section of citizenship draws inspiration from which country's constitution? Option A, France. Option B, USA. Option C, Australia. Option D, UK. And the correct option is option D, that is UK. When did the Indian Constitution Assembly adopt the Constitution? Option A, 26 November 1949. Option B, 26 November 1950. Option C, 26 January 1950. Option D, 26 January 1949. And the correct option is option D, that is 26 January 1949. The next topic is fundamental rights limitations in different complex situation. And the first question is, if a 12 years old child is working in a factory without his or her will, it is an violence of articles. Option A, 23 and 24. Option B, 14 and 15. Option C, 29 and 30. Option D, 17 and 18. And the correct option is option A, that is 23 and 24. As a part of fundamental rights, the Constitution of India guaranteed the right to option A, divorce, option B, travel, option C, equality, option D, marriage, and the correct option is option C, equality. Third one, right to constitutional remedies come under option A, fundamental rights, option B, legal rights, option C, constitutional rights, option D, natural rights. And the correct option is option A, that is fundamental rights. In the case of public emergency, the right to move the court for enforcement of FRC can be suspended under option A, Article 19, option B, Article 21, option C, Article 32, option D, Article 14. And the correct option is option C, that is Article 32. The fundamental rights to protection from exploitation prohibits option A, forced labor, option B, child labor, option C, human trafficking, option D, all of the above. And the correct option is option D, all of the above. And the next topic is Union Legislative President, Prime Minister and Union Cabinet. And the first question is, the President of India is the option A, head of state. Option B, head of government. Option C, head of legislature. Option D, head of judiciary. And the correct option is option A, that is head of state. The Prime Minister of India is the option A, head of state. Option B, head of government. Option C, head of legislature. Option D, head of judiciary. And the correct option is option B, that is head of government. The Prime Minister is the leader of option A, Rajya Sabha, option B, Lok Sabha, option C, Supreme Court, option D, State Legislative Assemblies. And the correct option is option B, that is Lok Sabha. The Union Cabinet in India is headed by option A, President, option B, Vice President, option C, Prime Minister, option D, Chief Justice of India. And the correct option is option C, that is Prime Minister. The total number of members in the Union Cabinet, including the Prime Minister, cannot exceed option A, 10, option B, 15, option C, 20, option D, 25. And the correct option is option C, that is 20. And the next topic is judicial reviews and judicial activism. The first question is, in India, the power of judicial review is derived from option A, the constitution, option B, parliamentary legislation, option C, common law principles, option D, judicial precedent. And the correct option is option A, that is the constitution. The power of judicial review is primarily exercised by option A, the Supreme Court, option B, the President, option C, the Prime Minister, option D, the Parliament. And the correct option is option A, that is the Supreme Court. Which country is often associated with the concept of judicial activism? Option A, United Kingdom, option B, United States, option C, India, option D, Australia. And the correct option is option B, that is United States. Supporters of judicial activism argue that it option A protects individual rights and liberty, option B maintains a secret separation of powers, option C upholds the supremacy of legislature, option D encourages legislative overreach. And the correct option is option A, that is protects individual rights and liberty. Which article of Indian Constitution guarantees the power of judicial review to the Supreme Court and the High Court? Option A, Article 32. Option B, Article 226. Option C, Article 356. Option D, Article 368. And the correct option is option A, that is Article 32. And the last topic of this section is Amendment of Constitution and Emergency Provisions. The first question is, which of the following article empower for national emergency? Option A, Article 352, option B, Article 356, option C, Article 360, and option D, Article 363. And the correct option is option A, that is Article 352. Who is empowered to declare national emergency under Article 352? Option A, the Parliament, option B, the Prime Minister, option C, the Council of Ministers, option D, the President. And the correct option is option D, that is the President. Which amendment to the Constitution lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 years? Option A, 42 Amendment, option B, 44th Amendment, option C, 61st Amendment, option D, 73rd Amendment. And the correct option is option C, that is 61st Amendment. The amendment bill for amending the Constitution can be introduced in option A, Lok Sabha only, option B, Rajya Sabha only, option C, either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, option D, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And the correct option is option D, that is both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And the last question of this session is, 10th schedule of Constitution was added by which amendment of the Constitution? And option A, for 24th Amendment Act, option B, 52nd Amendment Act, option C, 61st Amendment Act, option D, 85th Amendment Act. And the correct option is option B, that is 52nd Amendment Act. Thank you.